you look here, I've got the fuel pressure. This is in a 10-bit value, so it's roughly 28 psi right now. That's coming from a sensor I added. Got oil pressure in there now. Obviously the car's not running, so it's 0 at the moment. But probably the cool thing is the talking between the Megasquirt over there and now the onboard computer. Alright, so you can check the clock if you want, see what time it is, or you can change it to the date, or you can go to the boost gauge, which is correct for being at 6,000 feet of elevation, or we can flip over to the air fuel gauge, which is reading dead lean because the car's off, or we can come to this special turbo gauge. So I don't know if you can zoom in there a little bit. We've got a bar which shows the current size of the turbo. So right now it's at its maximum size of 26 centimeters squared. And then down here, we can see the current turbo speed. Right now I'm just faking the speed. It's 100,000 RPM, and you can see the little bar here. And you got the oil pressure gauge, which is reading 0. Fuel pressure gauge, like I said, was reading kind of low right now. And it's important to note that this is the fuel pressure gauge. That's the gauge pressure relative to the manifold pressure. So what we should see with our fuel pressure regulator, when I'm in boost or when I'm in vacuum, either way, the fuel pressure on this gauge should be dead steady, or very close to it, if the fuel pressure regulator is doing its job and if I don't run out of fuel pump. So yeah, there you go.